live update. It would appear Her Majesty is under attack. Not sure what's going on, but there's a bit of a commotion. They're lining up in formation, ready to attack the lady of the house, who is indeed still down by the waterfall. They seem to be outraged, so this seems to be a full-on assault. I'm not sure what's going to happen with the Queen, but I doubt it's going to be anything good. Unless this is some kind of mating ritual, which, you know, could be. She is a queen. I'm sure there's an army of people that would like a peace. So, again, I'll keep you updated as we go. So far, it's not looking good for our queen. It's not sounding good. Let's have a little look, see if she's still there. I'm worried for her. Oh, she's gone. She is gone. And the music stopped. We might have witnessed a live assassination, or she might have become one of the flock, giving up her palace. She could be abducted. We just don't know. I don't want to start rumours, so I won't. But I know she's gone. Damn shame.